The Trade Confident account is up over $48,000 today over the past 34 hours or so after this massive pump. With that, Ethereum also pumped 17% over the past few days, testing as high as $1,933, testing the structure resistance. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly where I think Ethereum is heading next. Unfortunately, we are starting to see some bearish signals in the market, and I'm going to go over the performance of these indicators because they are absolutely crushing it, making beautiful calls in this market. Speaking of beautiful calls, we actually just got 4 more trade wins overnight in Doge, SHIB, Matic, and ApeCoin, each 4% trade wins. That is 16% profit totaled among those 4 trades. We are now 36 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. So if you want to join us for those trades, the next one's coming up. You can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just as a secret, all trades are made using these 3 indicators. And with that, let's jump into the video. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll straight down to Ethereum. I'm going to run through these super quickly today. First up is the Ethereum Emotional Index. We are in excited territory here, and most often this will result in moves down, just as we saw back here. This is extremely reliable, so unfortunately this is feeling a little bearish. Next up is going to be the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. We're still in middle volatility. Yesterday we had some pretty extreme volatility with this pump. We may see a little bit of accumulation at the top, and with that a decrease in volatility, but from there, as we push into low volatility, as we saw back here, this is where impulse moves are happening. So if we fall into low volatility, I will be looking for an impulse move. And personally, based on the Ethereum While Smart Money metric, I do expect this to be an impulse move down because short trade sentiment is insanely high right now, pushing negative 1,000. Typically, we're only needing to see negative 800 here before big moves come. This shows that whales are very likely to short this market. And of course, this will drop the price. Next up is going to be the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We tested structure resistance at $1,928 and are on our way back down. I think we could form a higher low here at $1,785, and from there, if we push to a higher high, this will confirm the uptrend in Ethereum. So even if we do get some bearish sentiment right now, personally, I think all will be well. Next up is going to be the Ethereum long versus short trades. We're not really seeing any movement in either one. This tells me that we're likely to see some accumulation in the short term, but if we see short trades increase or long trades decrease or both, this is where we're likely to see price moves down. So that's going to be really important to pay attention to. And last but not least, we see the Ethereum daily trade scanner. This pump was perfectly timed after the buy signal. We see this consistently: buy signal here, move up, buy signal here, move up, buy signal here, move up. And after each of these, we're also seeing some solid sell signals calling the tops. So with that in mind, we're actually retesting the previous resistance where we saw a sell signal right here. If we get a sell signal at our current candle, this is where I'm expecting the next move down in Ethereum. So be on the lookout for that. And these Ethereum metrics are absolutely crushing it for our traders. In fact, this person made back the cost of the indicators and the membership fee within their first couple of trades using the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow and their membership metrics. So you're going to want to grab this membership. Your membership will also include the scalping trade calls that have helped us win 36 wins, 0 losses with 6 trades pending. With that, if you want to get access to our membership, all you got to do is click the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Just move up to subscribe here, input your information, and personally, I recommend the full access for $59 a month because this is where you're getting the metrics, scalping trade calls, and many more membership benefits. Go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, again, we're seeing Ethereum pumped like crazy, tested structure resistance at $1,928, and appears we're on our way back down. We're seeing trend exhaustion high, price versus while money flow high, and as soon as we get this sell signal like we saw back here and here, all 3 of these will combine to be some of the most bearish signals we can possibly get in crypto. On the way back down, I will be looking for structure support. Right at this line here, we have tons and tons of touches as we move back at $1,785. This would form a higher low formation where we would then likely move up, and I'd hope to see an uptrend from that point on. We'll have to keep everyone updated on that, though. You're going to want to pay attention to these indicators, and let me show you why. Anytime you're seeing a low on the trend exhaustion with a low on the price versus money flow and a buy signal, this is where we're seeing pretty crazy moves up in the market. You'll see it again here. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, crazy move up here. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low. We still got that move up as well. So you can call these basically the same signal. From here, price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, buy signal, and we saw that crazy move up. If we go from the candle close here of the buy signal to the candle close of the sell signal, we'll do this multiple times here. Boom. Right here and right there, right here. And we're just going to call this the extra one. We get Almost 2% profit here, 4% profit here, 12%, nearly 13% profit there. And that's just relying on the signals. This is not including our regular trading strategy where we just look for 4% trade wins. From this point, I want to teach you exactly how to maximize your profits. This is going to be really, really important, so pay attention to this. It's super easy, free to do. You don't have to do anything. It's just a style of trading. Of course, this isn't financial advice. This is just what's worked well for us. Trade how you will, but let me show you this real quick. Let's say you start off with $100,000 into your account. You enter into that first buy signal right here in Ethereum, and you wait until you get those signals right here. Multiply this by 1.0182 in order to get that 1.82% profit. You're now at $101,820. Now, instead of just putting $100,000 into this trade, instead what you're going to do is put this amount into this trade. Let's do it again. Multiply by 1.0469. Boom, you now have $106,595. Do it again right here in the 12% move. Multiply it by 1.1297. Boom, and you now have $120,420. This is 20.42% profit. Let's mark that over here, 20.42%. So we have this number right here. What we're now going to do to just show how much more this makes is we're going to add all of this percent profit regularly as if we had just put $100,000 into each one. So we have 1.82 plus 4.69 plus 12.97, and this puts us at only 19.48% profit. Now I know that one extra percent doesn't really seem like a lot, but check this out. If we multiply $100,000 here times 1.1948, which is that previous one, you'll find that this is actually an extra $1,000 that you would have missed out on. And keep in mind, this is only 3 trades right here. Over time, as this plays out, say 5 trades, this is going to be more like 2% instead of 1%, an extra $2,000 instead of $1,000 that you would have made. So as time goes on, this actually increases exponentially. This is called compound investing. It's super, super crazy strategy that we use here at Trade Confident. With all that in mind, you see how crazy well these indicators work. You can grab all 3 of these. In fact, all 11 of Trade Confident's indicators for up to $400 off right now. All you got to do is click the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the store page. Click I want this. Boom. Fill out your information. Click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get all 11 of Trade Confident's indicators for that $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay, and you are good to go. From there, just to reiterate, we already have price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high. We may see a rebound off of this structure resistance, especially if we get a sell signal as we did last time we tested this resistance. If we get all 3 of these, it will likely combine to be some of the most bearish signals you can get. From there, we'll be looking for a move down. And the first structure support I'm looking at is right here at $1,785. We'll keep everyone updated the best we can. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.